Cooking can be daunting in the beginning, but just like anything else, practice makes it perfect. Getting your basics right, having a few recipes under your belt that you're really good at making can actually give you the confidence to start your life journey of discovering, making and perfecting new dishes. This class is aimed in making you comfortable with Indian cooking. The recipes are not only popular Indian household dishes but also walks you through the nuances of most Indian recipes. It's elaborate and in detail to overcome any doubts and also to help you perfect in making them. I am Hema Subramanian and I will be your instructor.